Guys, this is the extension camp for Nesma. So look at that. See? Wow. Nice, huh? This is the tank. So much tank, huh? Very big tank here. So this is the way. Yeah. This is the parking track. This is the gas station here. And this is the H. This is the shawarma station. And that is the side is the camp also for the Nesma. So look at it, guys. It's very good, huh? Very quietly here because this is the remote area also. Look at that, guys. So we are sharing to you what is our location here in Jabalos Camp, uh, Jabalos Mountain. This is Nesmo Partner Camp. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and share and comment, and have many more videos will be to uploaded. And thank you for the people who are subscribed for me. Thank you very much. Please more assist me and more to guide me to my videos. Please add what you like. This is like journey to here in Saudi Arabia. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day and have a good night and have a good one. Thank you. Bye bye.